sword.
She just wants him for his sword.
For his long sword. Oh.
It's not even that long.
Are you kidding? What are you talking about? It's like his entire body length.
So you like to be impaled?
Why did I do that?
Call Shen Blathium.
Alright.
Yo, that was some dirty shit right there. Get in there, Herman. Get your pentakill. I got your shield. What? Jerrelle! What? Is this Sunfire? That's great. That's fucking wonderful.
Lol.